gonna do some errands. I gotta buy something. So yeah. I'm gonna buy some hair color for my mom. Wait, I can't find it. I'm gonna buy some Dibgen for her. This one. Okay, so I don't know if I would dye my hair again. Look at that bangs. Oh my god, I have no time to style it. I'm here at the 3rd floor right now and I'm gonna look for pretty decors for my room. Didn't know they sell LED lights here, but it's not what I wanted. It's open. And hello. Also like this cactus and it's for $899.
Looking out the window and how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid
I don't know what to do here. I might just roam around lang. Yeah, this is good. I don't have anything to do here. I might go buy na lang. Oh, I saw a sale. It's 50% off. I think everything's 50% off. Ayan, look at that. Oh, okay. I need this. I need this for my hair. Okay, I'm gonna stroll more. I think I'm gonna find something here. Like unwanted stuffs. Someone just came in. Okay, so I don't know what to buy. It's either this one or this one. This one. Because I think this one, wala siyang like cover. Like something to, like ganito. I don't know what to call it. Like ayan. Wala siyang like clip. So, am I gonna buy both? I don't know. So I'm gonna buy the blue one. I think this one's easier. Okay, so let's go. Let's buy it. Get out of here. They saw me vlogging.
all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should.
So I'm gonna go buy a hard disk now. Kasi that's what I really need.
The sun is setting down soon.
I really bought another external. My god, I need this more than anything in my life. So ayun po, nabudol po ako ng $499 na tempered glass. Anyway, it looks nice naman. So, I think it's worth it. I'm going to Skechers kasi ayan, look at that. It's buy one, get one free.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes.
We have the trilogy na. Yogs. Nawan po niya pumayita last time. Everybody wanna buy this book. It's a fable about following your dreams. So mostly like motivation. Damo kahambal nga namin eh. But it's $395. It's not sale.
Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall. When we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working, we can do it.
Yeah, I bought unnecessary things again. So today is Friday and I didn't vlog for the past few days kasi super sakit ng singaw ko. And that's one of the reasons why hindi ako nakapag-upload lang vlog for today na Friday. But I'm gonna show you what I bought last Monday nung nag-PSM ako. From H&M. Of course, I can't go out of H&M without buying anything. So I bought these sandals. So I got this one na lang with clip and apat lang siya kaysa dun sa 12 pieces. And wala kasi siyang clip. So priority ko yung clip. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. Ito talaga yung natural hair ko. I am a fan of Seagate. I have 3 Seagates external. And the next one, kakadating lang. It's my hangers. It's the velvet hangers that I have been waiting for. It's this one. It's 50 pieces. Ayan, ang laki. Actually, na-unbox ko na kasi kinuha ng mom ko yung bubble wrap. And it's only 1,050. Actually, dapat 1,100 to. But nag-try ako mag-offer sa seller. At first, 999 yung in-offer ko. Pero dinecline niya. So, sabi niya, 1,050 daw. So, I'm like, okay, sige. This one arrived late compared to the other things that I bought last 6:15. Kasi 6:15 ko din to binili. And it just arrived now. And today is Friday. Like, how many days after 7:15? So, definitely took around 3 weeks or, yeah, mag-go 1 month na talaga. Pero I understand naman kasi pre-order pa siya eh. It's not directly from the seller. So, ayun, it took a while. But, it's definitely worth it. And also after, I'm gonna be painting my arch. Yung arch ng door ko dito. And finally, yung front door ko, it will be painted white na. So, we will be painting it later. Let's go! So, we have nothing to cover my door. So, ayan, nilagyan ng mom ko ng blanket. That's the situation of my room right now. Oh my God! Look at my face. It's a work of art. So this is another package that I have been waiting for. Casetify sent me this and also getkobe.ph. So thank you so much Casetify and getkobe. I have no idea what the designs are kasi surprise package nito nila. All I know is that dalawang cases siya and it's for my iPhone 8 Plus. So I'm very excited for this one. Let's open it. The big reveal. I hope it's something I really want or a case that I really like. So this is so cute. I love this. I love this one. Very nice. It's a cow print. And wait, what is this one? We don't have to be strangers. This one is really cute. I will be using this all the time. Thank you so much, Casetify. This is my first Casetify case ever. So I'm very happy that it was from Casetify itself. To our Casetify fam, stay safe with Casetify Protect. And this one is cleansing wipes. Ayan. This one is another package that I have been waiting for. I actually have a lot of packages that I have been waiting for. This is from my LCA fam. It's the Lost Creator Academy. It's by Lost LeBlanc or Christian LeBlanc. I know you guys know him. And he gave me an asri strap. Thank you so much, Christian LeBlanc. So I'm very excited to open it. Asri is a brand from Bali. So they really sent me all the way from Bali a strap. They're very sweet and it has my name on it. It's so cute. This is Katrina. If you guys didn't know, my name is Katrina. And an asri pouch for the strap, and this is the strap itself. Yeah, they gave me the sandy one, and this is handmade. Thank you so much and welcome to the asri family and Nata, your local artist. Thank you so much, LCA fam. And thank you so much, asri fam. I'm gonna eat tteokbokki. This is the one that I got from Komart. It's a Korean store that has recently opened here in Iloilo. It's the Yupoki sweet and spicy tteokbokki. So this is the instant tteokbokki. And I also got myself a Chiosong cider. It tastes like 7-Up. Soda lang talaga siya. Like soft drinks, ganun. I thought there was something more to it. Ang liit lang. And this is the sauce. You're gonna mix it here, then microwave it. Para siyang french fries na may cheese. Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you would ask me if I would buy another one, yes, I would try other flavors. Especially yung onion butter. I wanted to try that one. Pero kasi sa mga review ng iba, for them, lowest yung onion butter. I don't know why. But I think it's yummy. You know, I love onion so much. I can eat like onions alone. So today is Sunday and we are gonna go thrifting. But before that, I'm gonna assemble the shelf that I bought on Shopee. Kakadating niya lang and I'm gonna assemble it right now. So here's the assembly instruction. The shelf, kinuha ko na siya sa box. This is what it looks like. And actually, ang liit niya. I was expecting for a bigger shelf, pero ang liit niya talaga. Parang I was a bit disappointed. I hope binili ko na lang yung 1/7.